just a heads up, I'm setting up a, apparently it's a video site. They're trying very hard to do almost everything the same way YouTube did. Some of it a little more annoying than others. It's full30.com. I'm going to be user waptek, which is actually functional, and channels waptek if they decide to let me have one. I've supposedly reserved that. It does show up, sorta. Yeah. Anyway, a couple of points. Their website uses proper security for login and password. Don't give them a password you've ever used. Use a throwaway email address, as always with new things. full30.com/auth/signup. They don't seem to have any issues. It's just going to be waptek. Let's see if they need to have a situation where I have to set up multiple channels so I don't get destroyed. There's no point in using them. They're competing with a website that's very shitty, YouTube. Next, Royal Nonesuch and a couple of other channels have just run there because the specific reason Royal Nonesuch might have gone there is maybe you can monetize. Don't know. Next, it's gun-oriented, so that might be an issue for all of you. Next, I'm going to see what other features they have, but I turned off their ability to send me junk email, and I did the standard practice of deliberately typing in a shit password and then resetting it to see if it would work the way it's supposed to. And yes, when I went in to log in, it erased in RAM the password I told it to use during reset, so I had to legitimately type in the password, and so that they don't have the password. The website itself will use a password hash based on the hour, minute, second you set up the account, maybe, or whatever random variable. Your username and the password being hashed. If the hash doesn't match, they don't have the password. They just have the resultant math routine output. That's the way a password's supposed to work. I'm going to leave a link to how password hashes work and why it shouldn't ever say, it shouldn't let you put the password or offer older passwords. Next thing is, it is okay if a website says you probably use that password or it's too similar. That's a code word for they still can't see your password, but they know that you're probably reusing a password you've used on the site before. I don't like them doing that, but I understand it. So the website, so far so good, looks like a website that won't steal your password, and so far so good, looks like a website that isn't going to be stealing anything. They have sales and stuff up. I don't know much about them, but I know that a channel that was a full FFL licensed gun maker got driven off of YouTube and went here. That might be a really good thing to look into. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And if I have to set up multiple channels on the website, it is not an improvement on what we have now. Oh, and warning. If Full30 turns out to be another website that complains about liberals taking their guns and discriminates based on supposed ideology, they're no better than YouTube, and I'll say so. I'm not endorsing them. I'm testing them. Never trust, always test. Goodbye.